Let's start by downloading PostgreSQL. From Google, I'm going to type PostgreSQL. Here you go. And I'm going to click on Downloads. And from here, you'll be able to see that PostgreSQL supports multiple operating systems such as Linux, Mac, and Windows. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to click on Windows tab, and from this page, you can see what the PostgreSQL versions are available at the time of this video. It was 10. And as you can see, for version 10, it supports 64-bit and of course 32 bits depending on the platform you'll be using. In case you don't know which version of Windows you're using, you can go to the desktop on the top from my computer, right click on it, and choose Properties. From here, you can see what system type we have. So you choose the version of Windows you're going to download and install. For me, I have 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to choose this the next time I'm going to download the PostgreSQL. Now I'm going to download the installer now, and it will direct me to a new page, which is the ADB Postgre project. From here, I will choose enterprisedb.com, which we can download PostgreSQL, and I will be choosing my version, which is 10.1 for this course, and my operating system as Windows 64-bit. Click download now. Save the file. Okay, my download is ready, and here's the double click. Next, I'll download it into the default directory. I'm going to click next. Here's the directory where the data will be saved. In case you uninstall PostgreSQL, you'll be able to see your data here in case you need to check it. I'll keep the same folder. And here it's going to ask us for the super users. We're going to use PostgreSQL. Since we're doing all tasks on our local machine, we can choose any password we want. Later on, you can consider a very powerful password for yourself whenever you need to launch any database in the future. This is my password. Try to make it unique. Retype it, and then next. Here comes the port 5432. Remember this because we need it later. I'll keep the default one and press next. Here's the local. If you're using any language other than English, you can use it as your default language for your database. And click next. And click next again. Another next. And here we go. It's going to take some time, so be patient, and I might speed up the video. Now the installation is done. Before that, we need to make sure we uncheck the stack builder option since we don't need to open it. I'm unchecking it now, and we will be finishing the installation. Here we go. We're now done with installing the database. What we need to do next is we need to install the SQL editor to connect to a database.